Here's something about growth that people don't talk about. It's not all social media worthy moments and glittering achievements. Growth can be messy. It's about breaking down old versions of yourself, letting go of what's comfortable, and facing some seriously tough moments. Think of it like renovating your life. You got to tear down some walls before you can build something amazing. So that pain that you're feeling, that's not a setback. It's your personal training ground. You're being prepared for something bigger. And yes, sometimes it hurts, but staying stuck can hurt even more. So are you brave enough to face the discomfort and trust the process? And we got this.